A little rabbit named Rocky was hopping happily through the forest.
What a beautiful day.
As he bounced along the path, he suddenly noticed something shiny on the ground.
Wow! A shiny gold coin.
Rocky picked up the coin and smiled.
I can buy lots of carrots with this coin.
Just then, Rocky saw an old turtle looking worried and searching everywhere.
Hello, Mr. Turtle. What happened?
Oh dear. I lost my gold coin. It was very important to me.
Rocky looked at the coin in his paw. He wanted to keep it, but he knew it belonged to the turtle.
This must be your coin, Mr. Turtle.
Rocky handed the gold coin back to the turtle.
Thank you, Rocky. You are very honest.
You're welcome, Mr. Turtle.
The turtle was so happy that he gave Rocky a basket of fresh carrots as a reward.
Please accept these carrots as a thank you gift.
Thank you. I love carrots.
Rocky went home happily, knowing he had done the right thing. Moral of the story: honesty is the best policy.